Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about your cooling system on your vehicle and how important it is to keep it in good working order to prevent failures down the road, especially to the radiator. The really only service that you can do to a cooling system is to change out the coolant regularly and flush the system to keep it clean. Coolant does break down inside the vehicle, even with today's extended life coolants. So some manufacturers recommend 5 years, 100,000 miles. We found at the West Automotive Group, coolant starts to break down way earlier than that. So we recommended 3 years, 50,000 miles, which will help keep your system clean by flushing it out and keep a new coolant in it. Radiators tend to fail internally and externally, but coolant breaking down inside of them starts to eat up the fins inside and make the radiator fail. By plugging the radiator up, the engine starts to run hotter. We can have internal engine issues, overheating, etc. Coolant breaking down also starts to eat the metals and gaskets inside the cooling system. So keep your cooling system clean, get it in for a flush regularly. It'll keep it in good working order and your car in safe operating mode. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Auto Man Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.